Hello, my dear. Today we are going to study B verbs. B verbs. What are the B verbs? B verbs are the actionless verbs. Actionless verbs. Action. No action verbs. ක්‍රියාව පැහැදිලිව නොපෙනෙන ක්‍රියා. Actionless verbs. ක්‍රියාව පැහැදිලිව නොපෙනෙන ක්‍රියා. Actionless verbs. So we are going to learn B verbs. What are the B verbs? Am, is, are, was, were, will, be. Now we are going to study B verbs very well. B verbs are very important for your knowledge. දැනුමට B verbs අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම හරිම වැදගත්. එහෙනම් ඔන්න we are learning B verbs now. B verbs. The lesson is about B verbs. B verbs. On B verbs කියන්නේ පුතේ no action verbs or actionless on verbs, actionless verbs, action නැති verbs. Now what are the B verbs? ඔය තියෙන්නේ am, is, are. ඒ තියෙන්නේ my dear present form එක. පදයේ form එක present form එක. present form එක. It is called present form. On next one was were. A was were means today it is called past form එක. එක past form එක. What is will be? Will be කියන්නේ පුතේ future form එක. On and there are three forms of the be verb. Present form, the past form, and the future form. What is the present form? වර්තමාන කාලය. නේද? Today. කියන වර්තමාන කාලයනේ. What is the past form? ඒ අතීත කාලය. Yesterday. What is the future form? ඒ අනාගත කාලය. ඒ කියන්නේ tomorrow. එහෙනම් present form, the past form, and the future form. Now let's look at the meanings of the B verbs on am. Vemi, sitting. Vemi, sitting. Is, vehi, siti, තිබේ. වෙති, සිටිති, තිබේති. මොන present form එක. was, විය, සිටියේය, තිබුණේය. were, වූහ, සිටියහ, තිබුණහ. will be, වේවි, සිටීවි, තිබේවි. ඔන්න B verbs. එහෙනම් B verbs හොඳට තේරුම් ගන්න ඕන පුතා. ඔන්න B verbs හොඳට තේරුම් ගන්න පුතා. හරිද? Now look at the B verbs again. And what is am? Vemi, sitimi. නේද පුතේ? ඔන්න am. What is? Vei, siti, තිබේ. What is are? වෙති, සිටිති, තිබේති. was, විය, සිටියේය, තිබුණේය. were, වූහ, සිටියහ, තිබුණහ. will be, වේවි, සිටීවි, තිබේවි. ඔන්න my dear B verbs වල තේරුම් සමගමම කියලා දුන්නා. B verbs. Now you understood the B verbs very well. Now we are going to understand about the negative forms also of the B verbs. Look at the examples again of the B verbs on the B verbs. B verbs are no action verbs or actionless verbs. ක්‍රියාව පැහැදිලිව නොපෙනෙන පෙනෙන්නේ නැති ක්‍රියාපද. හරි ඔන්න B verbs. එතකොට පුතේ we have to use the B verbs in the present form. මේ තියෙන්නේ. ඔන්න am, is, are for the present form. On a past form was, were. Future කියන්නේ අනාගත කාලය. ඉතින් subjects ඔන්න subjects දාලා තියෙනවා. ඔන්න I am. තේරෙනවද? I was. I will be. ඔන්නමයි එක භාවිතා කරන්නේ. එහෙනම් what are the subject? I. I කියන්නේ මම. I am. I was. I will be. එහෙමයි යොදන්නේ. I am. I was. Past tense එක. I will be. Now let's look at the second one. It is. එහෙනම් is බලමු අපි. මොන singular නේද පුතේ? He is. She is. It is. Father is. Mother is. Brother is. Sister is. The teacher is. The bus is. The bicycle is. ඔක්කොම is. The dog is. නේද? Roy is. Amal is. පුතේ past tense එක was. එහෙනම් he was. She was. It was. Father was. Mother was. The teacher was. Singular and was. And the future tense එක will be. එහෙනම් he will be. She will be. It will be. Father will be. Mother will be. The teacher will be. එහෙමයි යන්නේ. Roy will be. ඔන්න plural form එක. We are. You are. They are. Boys are. Girls are. Teachers are. Parents are. Brothers are. Sisters are. My friends are. Books are. Buses are. Dogs are. The stars are. In a plural and are. I am. We are. Amen. You are. They are. Boys are. He is. She is. Samatyagan. Kelang am is a dana vidya. Past tense එක were. Were. Was were. And we were. You were. They were. Boys were. Books were. Girls were. My friends were. And will be. We will be. You will be. They will be. Boys will be. Girls will be. The books will be. ඔක්කොම will be. ඔන්න පුතේ නා be verbs දාන විදිය. ඔන්න be verbs. නේද? එහෙනම් what are the be verbs? දැන් be verbs මතකයිද? ඔන්න the first one am. එහෙනම් second one is. එහෙනම් third one are. Past tense එක was. ඒකේ plural එක were. ඒකේ අනාගත කාලය will be. ඔන්න be verbs ටික දැන්. දැක්කද? am, is, are. Was, were, will be. What is am? Vemi, sitting. What is? Vei, siti, tibe. What is are? Veti, sititi, tibeti. What is was? Viya, sitiyeya, tibuneya. What is were? Guha, sitiyaha, tibunaha. What is will be? Vevi, sitivi, tibevi. Now you can see the short form, long form and the short form of be verb. Okay. Long form is used only in grammar. Short forms must be used for spoken English. මත්යාගන්න ඕන කෙටි ක්‍රමයකවත් short form එක contracted form එක use කරන්නේ spoken English සඳහා පමණයි. එහෙනම් short form කියලා කියන්නේ contracted form. යාර අපි කියනවා ඔන්න contracted form. Contracted form. කෙටි ක්‍රමය. එහෙනම් am not. ඒක එහෙම තමයි. Is not කොහොමද කෙටි වෙන්නේ? On. Isn't. Are not. ඔන්න පුතේ. Aren't. ඔන්න was not. My dear. How to say the short form of was not? Wasn't. Were not. On weren't. Will not be. You must say won't be. Mind. And how to say the short forms? Am not. The negative wording of your. And is not, isn't. are not, aren't. Was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. Will not be, won't be. A short forms. Tell again the short forms. Am not, am not. No short form. But is not, isn't. Are not, aren't. Was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. Will not be, won't be. Now you have to understand the positive B verbs with the subjects and negative B verbs. On the B verbs on the I taught you B verbs very well. Now we are going to speak the sentences with the B verbs. දැන් අපි හදන්නේ B verbs සමග වාක්‍ය කතා කරන්න. ඔන්න බලන්න. ඔබ එදිනෙදා කතා කරන වාක්‍ය ඔක්කොම B verbs වලින් තියෙන හැටි. Now we are going to understand that. ඔන්න බලන්න. මුලින්ම දාන්නේ අපි present form එක නිසා. බලන්න subject verb එක complement තියෙන විස්තරය. බලමු මම වෛද්‍යවරයෙක් වෙමි. එහෙනම් how do you say this? මම වෛද්‍යවරයෙක් වෙමි. You can say on I am, right? We can use short form also. I am a doctor. Or you can say I'm a doctor. ඒක දෙකක් තියෙනවා. On I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor. මම ගුරුවරියක් වෙමි. එහෙනම් you can say I'm a teacher. Short form, long form දෙකම තියෙනවා. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. මම ඉංජිනේරුවෙක් වෙමි. I'm an engineer. ඒක vowels is and an engineer. vowels තිබුණොත් and an උන අපි අනිවාර්යෙන්. ඒකමත් තියාගන්න උදේට vowels තිබුණොත් අපි අනිවාර්යෙන් and an මේ vowels නේ තියෙන්නේ. E A E I O U එහෙනම් and an. an engineer. ඒක තමයි හේතුව. next one මම උසයි. ඒක කෙලින්ම විශේෂණ පදේ විතරයි කියන්නේ. You can say I'm tall. Mama mahatai. You can say I'm fat. Mama ketui. You can say I'm thin. The last line on I'm tall, I'm fat, I'm thin. හැබැයි කිව්වොත් එහෙම මම උස ළමයෙක් කියලා ඒක ටිකක් වෙනස්. ඒක කොහොමද කියන්නේ? I'm a දාන්න ඕන. on a tall boy. ඒකට එන්න ඕන අනිවාර්යයෙන්. ඒකට එන්නේ මෙතන boy තියෙන නිසා. අන්න. ඒකට එන්න ඕන අනිවාර්යයෙන්. අතන boy තියෙන නිසා. I'm a tall boy. I'm a tall boy. එහෙම නැතුව නිකම් ශේෂ්‍ය විතරක් ආවොත් I'm tall only, I'm tall. I'm tall only. I'm tall. හැබැයි අතන I'm එන්න ඕන. නේද? Look at the second one. I'm fat. ඔන්න I'm a fat girl. බලමු අපි. ඔන්න I'm අන්න ආවා. Fat girl. I'm a fat girl. I'm a fat girl. එහෙනම් දාන්නට තේරෙනවා අපිට කොහොමද එන්නේ කියලා. දාන්න ඕනේ මෙතන අනිවාර්යෙන්ම girl නිසා. එහෙනම් a fat girl. හැබැයි girl නැතුව આવොත් එන්නේ I'm fat විතරයි. I'm fat only. I'm fat. මොකුත් දාන්නේ නැහැ. I'm fat. හොඳට තියාගන්න. මට බඩගිනි. ඉච්චරයි. එහෙනම් I'm hungry. ඒක දැන් හරියට අපිට තේරෙනවා. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. මට තිබහයි. මට තිබහයි. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. මට මහන්සි. ඔන්න I'm tired. මට මහන්සි. I'm tired. මම බයයි. ඔන්න I'm afraid of dogs. එහෙම කියන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ මොකද? මම බයයි බල්ලන්ට. I'm afraid of දාලා කියන්නේ කිව්වොත් හරි. නිකම්ම afraid කියන්න පුළුවන්. I'm afraid of dogs. මම බයයි බල්ලන්ට. එකද I'm afraid of cockroach. කැරපොත්තන්ට බයයි. cockroach කැරපොත්තා. cockroach ශබ්ද කරලා කියවන්න පුළුවන් වාට. බලමු අපි. on cockroach. 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 මම කැමති. මම කැමති කියන්නේ මේ ක්‍රමයට I'm fond. I like නෙමෙයි මම අදහස් කරේ not I like. මම කැමති කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන් I am දාලා. I'm fond of cake. cake not cake. I'm fond of cake. මම කැමති cake වලට. I'm fond of cake. I wanted to use be verb for කැමති. I'm fond of cake. මම ශ්‍රී ලාංකිකයෙක්. එහෙනම් අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් ඔන්න I'm a Sri Lankan. I'm a Sri Lankan. Next one මම ළමයෙක්. ඔන්න I'm a child. I'm a child. මම ළමයෙක්. උදාහරණ. හරිද? I'm a child. දැන් ඔය be verbs කොහමද වාක්‍ය වල යොදාන්නේ කියලා මම කියලා දුන්නේ. එනවනේ ඔබට subject එක දාලා verb එක දාලා and ඉස්සා දාලා complement කියන්නේ විස්තරේ දාන්න ඕන. I'm a doctor. I'm a teacher. I'm an engineer. I'm an accountant. එහෙම යන්නේ. I'm tall. I'm a tall boy. I'm fat. I'm a fat girl. I'm thin. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm tired. I'm afraid. මම බයයි. I'm afraid of dogs. I'm afraid of cockroaches. I'm fond of cake. I'm a Sri Lankan. I'm a child. Alright, okay. Next one. මම සිසුවෙක්. පාසල් සිසුවෙක් නම් කියන්නේ පුතේ I'm a pupil. හැබැයි පුතේ කැම්පස් එකේ නම් ඉහළ පන්ති වල නම් I'm a student. student කියලා කියන්නේ නේද? ඉහළ ශිෂ්‍යයෙක්. pupil කියන්නේ පාසල් ශිෂ්‍යයෙක්. අතියාගන්න. I'm a pupil කියන්නේ පාසල් ශිෂ්‍යයෙක්. I'm a student කියන්නේ if you study in university, if you study at higher purpose and you are a student. Where student කෙනෙක්. මම ශිෂ්‍ය නායකයෙක් වෙමි. Next one. I'm a prefect. I'm a prefect. දැන් ඒ වෙමි. ඔන්න සිටිමි. Exercise 2 is about සිටිමි. මම higher ශ්‍රේණියේ සිටිමි. ඔන්න එක. ඔන්න I am ඒ ගණනේ එහෙමයි අපි. හරිනේ? ඔන්න I am in grade 6. I'm in grade 6. සිටිමි නම් in දාලා කියන්නත් ඕන. මම කළුතර සිටිමි. එහෙනම් උත්තරේ එන්න ඕනේ I am at Kaluter. I'm at. Kaluter. I'm at. Mama Victory is hitting me. And an answer is I am in the playground. I'm in the playground. Mama Pustakale is hitting me. Answer is I'm in the library. I'm in the library, Pute. Library, not library. The library. I'm Sri Lanka city. I'm in Sri Lanka. I'm in. Mama Colombo city. Again, I'm in Colombo. In Colombo. Colombo වගේ city එකක් නම් in දාන ප්‍රධාන district එකක් නම්. හැබැයි කළුතර වගේ small නම් add දාන. දැක්කද add එක දාන විදිය? I am going to teach you prepositions. මම නිපාත කියලා දෙන්නම් ඔබට. අනිවාර්යෙන් නිපාත ඊළඟ වීඩියෝ එකේ උගන්වනවා. එහෙනම් ඔන්න. I'm at කළුතර. But I'm in Colombo. එහෙනම් add දාන්නේ කොහොමද? At කළුතර, at රත්මලාන, at දෙහිවල එහෙම යනවා. in Trincomalee, in Colombo, in Kurunagala, in Neduti, Forest City, in Kandy, in Galle, next one, Mama gate to Asala City me. And Asala Gani at, then near. And how to say? I start in a Kumbalanabi. I'm near the gate. You can say I'm at the gate. On Mama gate, Mama city. I'm near the gate. Mama can't me city. Mama can Nabuta. Harida. I'm at the canteen. On canteen city. Mama Kamare city. Mama Kamare city. Mama Kamare city. Now how to say? I'm in the right room. Mama Gaza can city me. How to say? I'm under Gazakni tree. Under a tree. Under cannot pulvam, we can say beneath. Under can beneath. I'm beneath a tree. Now look at the answers. Now first one, how to say? Mama higher stay near city. How to say? I'm in grade 6. Mama Kalutara city me. I'm at Kalutara. Mama Victoria city me. I'm in the playground. Mama Pustakale city. I'm in the library. Library. Mama Lanka city. I'm in Sri Lanka. Mama Colombo city. I'm in Colombo. Mama Gate Plaza city. I'm near the gate. Mama Canteen city. I'm at the canteen. Near the canteen. In the canteen. Mama Kamare city. I'm in the room. Mama Gasak city. I'm under a tree. A tree can be Gasak. And Mama Ganda children. The children. I'm going to teach you those lessons also. Beneath the tree. Now you understood about Vimic city. I'm Namdar. I'm an English teacher. I'm in the class now. I'm at Dehiwala. Understand? Now we can make negative forms also from am. I am not. I am not a doctor. I am a teacher. I am not an engineer. I am at Dehiwala. I am not at Patmalana. Not the name. I am at Dehiwala. I am not at Patmalana. I am Nandan. I am not Kamal. I am fat. I am not thin. I am not hungry. I am not afraid of dogs. I am friendly with the dogs. Okay, not දාලා පුළුවන්. You understand? Then what පුරුදු වෙන්න ඕන. ඒවා not දාලා කියලා පුරුදු වෙන්න ඕන. Right. Now we are going to start. The second one is. Then is බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඔන්න. ඔව් අයිතිවරේ. එන කොහොමද කියන්නන්නේ අපිට? ඔන්න. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. දැන් තේරුණාද ඔයගලන්ට? ඔන්න he is a doctor. He is a doctor. The short form is he is a doctor. A short form. ඇය ගුරුවරියක්. We can say she is a teacher or she is a teacher. We can say he also. He is a teacher because teacher is a common gender noun. ඒ වගේ common gender nouns තියෙනවා. I will teach you genders also. Genders ඒ ඔක්කොම දානවා YouTube එකට මම. She is a teacher. He is a teacher. දෙකම teacher. Who are you? Answer is it is an elephant. අර වගේම තමයි. Like an engineer. An elephant. You can say it's. Short form එක it's. Apostrophe අනිවාර්යෙන් තියෙන්න ඕන. It's an elephant. It's an elephant. ඒක පිටණියක්. You can say it is a playground. It's a playground. රාජාලියෙක්. It's an eagle. රාජාලියා eagle. Hawk උකුස්සා. Hawk. Hawk yani ugusta. Hawk. Hawks are found in Sri Lanka. Eagles are not found in Sri Lanka. Eagle and hawk. Make a walak. Make a walak. You know how to say it? This is a pit. Pit yani walak. A garbage pit. Kunu walak. අරක ගෙයක්. ඈතට තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් that is a house. Not a home. Home කියන්න බෑ. Home කියන්නේ ඔයාගේ ගෙදරට විතරයි. තමන්ගේ නිවසට කියන්නේ home. This is my home. This is my house නෙමෙයි. This is my home. I am going home. Home කියන්නේ තමන්ගේ නිවස. House කියන්නේ නිවස. ගෙය. එතකොට තමන්ගේ නොවේ නම් house. තමන්ගේ නොවේ නම් house. තමන්ගේ නිවස නම් එක home. Understand? එහෙනම් I am going home now. House කියන්නේ බෑනේ. Right. තාත්තා රියදුවේ. You can say father is එමෙ කියන්නේ father is a driver. Father is a driver. Driver කියන්නේ රියදුරා. Diver කියන්නේ කිමුදුම් කරුවා. On a diver. A diver. Kimudum karwa. A diver. My father is a diver. Kimudum karwa. Dive. Diver. Driver yedura. Amma gruhaniya. You can say mother is a house wife. Mother is a housewife. Housemaid කියන්නේ ගෘහ සේවිකාවක්. A housemaid. House maid. ඒ කවුද? ගෘහ සේවිකාවක්. Housemaid. ඔන්න maid. Maid කියන්නේ woman. House woman. ඒ කියන්නේ ගෘහ සේවිකාවක්. ගෘහ සේවිකාවක්. A housemaid. Housewife. ගෘහණිය. එයා සේවිකාවක් නෙමෙයි. ඒ ගෘහණිය. And you can say ඔන්න she is විතරයි. නමක් නම් and no දාන්න බෑ. No she's and she's and. Now let's look at the answers again from number 1. He is a doctor. She is a teacher. He is a teacher. It's an elephant. It's a playground. Playground. It's an eagle. It's a hawk. This is a pit. That's a house. House කියන්නේ නිවස. තමන්ගේ නිවස නම් කියන්නේ home. Father is a driver. Father is a diver. Mother is a housewife. My mother is a housemaid. එවෙන කතාවක්. ඒ ගෘහ සේවිකාව. Housemaid. She is an දාන්නේ නමකට. Exercise 4. What a city. ඔහු රෝහලේ city. And how to say? He is in the hospital. He is in the hospital. At the hospital. ඇය පාසලේ සිටි. She is in the school. She is in the school. ඌ කැලේ සිටි. It's in the jungle. Jungle කියන්නේ කැලේ. Forest. Forest කියන්නේ වනාන්තරය. A forest වනාන්තරය. Jungle කියන්නේ කැලේ. කැලෑවට කියන්නේ jungle. Forest කියන්නේ වනාන්තරය. Singaraja is a forest. Singaraja is not a jungle. කැලෑව සහ ජලය. Sorry. කැලෑව සහ වනාන්තරය. මෙහෙමයි. Right. 2 words. තාත්තා වතේ සිටි. එහෙනම් how to say? Father is in the garden. Father is in the garden. On a city. ඔහු රෝහලේ සිටි. ඇය පාසලේ සිටි. ඌ කැලයේ සිටි. තාත්තා වත්තේ සිටි. එක city. Now how to say? He is in the hospital. She is in the school. It's in the jungle. The elephants are in the forest. Father is in the garden. You can understand them very well now. Well, city. A city. Right, next one. Amma Usiye city. Mother is in the kitchen. Mother is at the kitchen. In the kitchen. Amma Usiye city. How do they? Mother is in the kitchen. Who Gasauda city? It is gonna it's on the tree. It's on the tree. Viduhalpatuma Karyale city. How to say it? The principal is in the office. The principal. Make a the principal. හේතුව මෙතන vowels නැති නිසා. No vowel. Make a the office. හේතුව මෙතන vowels නිසා. Make a the office. The. Make a the office. The principal is in the office. Roy pustakale city. How to say? Roy is in the library. Roy is in the library. Higher Stranier city. How to say? She is in grade 6. She is in the grade 6 also correct. Oh, Kalutara city. How to say? He is at. You can say in at. Again, Kalutara is at Kalutara. Mother is in the kitchen. Ugasauda city. It's on the tree. The principal is in the office. Roy is in the library. She's in grade 6. He's at Kalutara. On exercise 5. Exercise 5. Potak bag yeti benawa. Potak bag yeti benawa. Hena kohomda kiyanne? Potak nam book is තිබෙනවානේ in the bag. Or we can say there is a book in the bag. On the book is in the bag. It is also correct. Or you can say there is a book in the bag. දෙකම හරි. බෑගය මේසේ උඩ තිබෙනවා. බෑගයනේ. එහෙනම් the bag පුතේ. the bag නෙමෙයි the bag. the bag නම් බෑගයක්. බෑගයක්. පොතක් නම් a book. කාර්යයක් නම් a car. බයිසිකලයක් නම් a bicycle. හැබැයි පොත නම් the book. බෑගය නම් the bag. කාර්යය නම් the car. බයිසිකලය නම් the bicycle. එනම් bag එනම් the bag is on the table. Answer is table. Table. Now what is that? Second one, there is the bag on the table. On the table. On answer එක. නේද? Right? උත්තර. There is the bag on the table. Oh, the bag is on the table. Next. කාරය ගස යට තිබෙනවා. කාරයක්. Sorry. කාරයක් නම් කානේ. කාරයක්. තිබෙනවා නම් is යට නම් under ගස යටනේ. එහෙනම් under the tree. ගසක් නම් a tree. එහෙනම් how to say this again? ඔන්න how to say this one again? ඔන්න there is ඔය තියෙන්නේ. ඔන්න යට beneath the tree. Beneath the tree. There is a car beneath and under the tree. A car is under the tree. එහෙම කියන්නේ. බයිසිකලයක් ගේට්ටුව ළඟ තිබෙනවා. බයිසිකලයක්. එහෙනම් bicycle is near the gate. Or you can say the second answer, there is a bicycle. There is a bicycle near the gate, at the gate. Computer here. Computer namade the computer. I computer computer. The computer is in the room. The computer is in the room. Oh, there is the computer. There is not a. There is the computer in the room. වතුර බෝතලය බෑගය ළඟ තිබෙනවා. එහෙනම් how to say? The water bottle is near the bag. වතුර බෝතලය තිබෙනවා බෑගය ළඟ. The water bottle is කියන තිබෙනවා near the bag. Oh, there is the water bottle near the bag. Second sister. How to say? There is the water bottle near the bag. Next one. Basaya පාරේ තිබෙනවා. Basaya. You know how to say? The bus is on the road. The bus is on the road. There is the bus. There is the bus. Phone එක අතේ තිබෙනවා. How to say? The phone is on the hand. The phone is on the hand. Phone එක අතේ තියෙනවා. There is the phone on the hand. පෑන සාක්කුවේ තියෙනවා. How to say? The pen is in the pocket. The pen. පෑනක් නම් a pen. The pen is in the pocket. Oh, there is the pen in the pocket. Fan එක මේසේ ළඟ තිබෙනවා. එහෙනම් the fan is near the table. The fan is near the table. Now you studied 3 examples of that. Neither එකක් තමයි way. Means in the city. First one way. Second is on the way. Way. He is a doctor. She is a teacher. It is an elephant. It's a playground. On is. Father is a driver. Mother is a housewife. A way. In a city. He is in the hospital. She is in the school. It's in the jungle. Father is in the garden. Make city. Mother is in the kitchen. It is on the tree. The principal is in the office. Roy is in the library. She is in grade 6. He is at Kalutara city. තුන්වෙනි තේරුම, the third meaning is තිබෙනවා. A book is in the bag. The bag is on the table. The car is under the tree. The bicycle is near the gate. තිබෙනවා. The computer is in the room. The water bottle is near the bag. The bus is on the road. The phone is on the hand. The pen is in the pocket. The fan is near the table. And I gave you those 3 examples for those 3 meanings. City, way, city, debate. Now we can use negative forms also from is not, isn't. You know, he isn't a doctor. He isn't an engineer. She isn't a principal. She is a teacher. She isn't an. She is Nedu. Normally, then we can say the negative for the second meaning. He is not in the class. He is in the office. The principal is not in the office. He is in the classroom. The principal isn't in the office. He is in the class. The teacher isn't in the office. She isn't in the canteen. He is not in the library. No way. And the teacher is not in the playground. No, city. The book is not on the table. A pen is not in my bag. The water bottle is not near the bag. The bicycle is not near the gate. It's not near the gate. Now we are going to start the past form. Past forms on the una. Una. Right? In a past tense, an answer is I was a teacher. I was a teacher. I was a teacher. I was a teacher. Unani. I guru kuna. And how to say? She was a teacher. She was a teacher. Kunana. I was a doctor. A doctor. I was a doctor. Again, doctor here. I was a doctor. I was a teacher. I was a doctor. I was a teacher. She was a teacher. She was a doctor. Tata. Police nilධාරියෙක් වුණා. Father. Kunana Bude was a police officer. Father was a police officer. Amma hediya kuna. And answer is mother was a nurse. Mother was a nurse. Roy shishe kunal. Roy was a student. Roy was a student. Student. Student nimi. Una. 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 Right? Una. Sitia. I have written here Sitia. She was in the playground. She was in the playground. Ugasa uda Sitia. It was on the tree. Gasa uda Sitia. Tata watte Sitia nang komada kiyanne onna father was in the garden. Father was in the garden. Amma kussiye Sitia. Mother was in the kitchen. Mother was in the kitchen. Mother was in the kitchen. Pahawasane Sitia gaya. And how to say? She was in grade 5 last year. She was in grade 5 last year. Api honda lamai una. Api. එහෙනම් ඒක බහුවචන. ඔන්න we එකට කොස් දාන්න බෑනේ. ඒක එහෙනම් කියන්නේ were. එක we were good children. එහෙනම් ඔබ තේරුම් ගන්න ඕන plural දැම්මොත් were නේද? ඒගොල්ලෝ පිට්ටනියේ සිටියා. They were in the playground. ඒගොල්ලෝ ඒක බහුවචන. එහෙනම් අපි ගන්නේ කොහොමද? ඔන්න they were සිටියා in the playground. They were in the playground. They were in the playground. The birds were on the tree. The parents were in the school. And the mothers were in the school. My sisters were in grade 5 last year. එහෙනම් බහුවචන were. හරි ලේසි. ඒක තමයි පුරුදු වෙන්න ඕනේ ඒවා. And I have given you. අර බහුවචන හදපුවා කොහොම හදන්න ඕන? සිටියා කියලා. එතන plural තියෙනවනේ. ඒක බහුවචන ගන්න ඕන. හරි. ඒක වචන තිබෙනවා තිබුණා. හරි. ඔන්න ඒගොල්ලෝ අපි උනා මේ is. දැන් අපි ගන්නත් ඕන බහුවචන ගන්නත් ඕන. නේද? ඔන්න we are ඒවා am is හදන්න ඕන. තමන් ඒවත් හදා ගන්න ඕන. am is ඒවත් හදන්න ඕන. ඉතින් ඒගොල්ලෝ ගුරුවරු උනා. ඔන්න අපි කියමු මේක මොකද්ද කියලා කියන්නේ. ඔන්න they are teachers. They are teachers. ඒගොල්ලෝ ගුරුවරු. ඒගොල්ලෝ තාම ගුරුවරු. එහෙනම් මොකද මේ කියන්නේ? ඔන්න they were teachers. අන්න උනා. අපි ශ්‍රායකයෝ වෙමු. කොහොමද කියන්නේ? we are prefix. We are prefix. උනා නම් ඔන්න we were prefix. උනා. We were prefix. ඒගොල්ලෝ ක්‍රීඩකයෝ උනා. එහෙනම් ආන්සර් කොහොමද කියන්නේ? they are players. උනා නම් we can say they were players. උනා. ඔබ පයිලට් කෙනෙක් නම් කොහොමද කියන්නේ? ඔන්න you are a pilot. ඔබනේ. හැබැයි උනා නම් you were a pilot. උනා. දැන් ඔන්න වෙනවා සහ උනා. නේද? ඔන්න they are teachers. ඒගොල්ලෝ ගුරුවරු. They were teachers. ඒගොල්ලෝ ගුරුවරු උනා. They are not teachers. ගුරුවරු නෙමෙයි. They are not teachers. We are not prefects. We are not monitors. They are not cricketers. You are not a pilot. No, you aren't. You are not. They aren't. They are not. Unana. They were teachers. We were prefects. They were players. You were a pilot. Unana. Unenatnam. They weren't teachers. We weren't prefects. They weren't players. You weren't a pilot. You can ask the questions. First, are you a pilot? Are you? Are they cricketers? Are they prefects? Are they teachers? එහෙම අහන්නත් පුළුවන් ප්‍රශ්න. ප්‍රශ්න අහන්නේ එහෙමයි. Were they teachers? උනාද? Were we prefects? උනාද? Were they players? උනාද? Were you a pilot? උනාද? උනාද? වූවාද? Were you a pilot? Were they players? උනාද? Were we prefects? Were they teachers? උනාද? උනාද? එහෙම යන්නේ. right. එයාත් අහන්නේ එහෙමයි. සිටියේ නෑ. She wasn't in the playground. සිටියාද? Was she in the playground? තමන් දැන් අල්ල ගන්න ඕන. එහෙම යන්නේ. Was she in the playground? අපිට ලස්සනට ඒව කරන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන්. අය පන්තියේ සිටියාද? Principal office එකේ සිටියාද? අම්මා කුස්සියේ සිටියාද? තාත්තා වත්තේ සිටියාද? ඔහු ගේට්ටුව ළඟ සිටියාද? නංගි පුස්තකාලයේ සිටියාද? උදාහරණ බලන්න ඒ විදියට. How to say? Was mother in the kitchen? Was father in the garden? Was the principal in the office? Was the teacher in the class? Was the sister in the library? Was he in the playground? Was the dog near the gate? Was the teacher near the canteen? Was the cat on the tree? Idiot. 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 නේ? තිබෙනවාද තිබුණාද ඕනෑම අහන්න පුළුවන්. The cat is on the tree. සිටිනවානේ. The cat is on the tree. සිටිනවා. එහෙනම් is the cat on the tree? සිටිනවාද? Is the cat on the tree? එහෙම හදන්නේ. ඔබ දැන් පුරුදු වෙන්න ඕන ඒවා හදලා. මේ පාඩම් බලමින් you have to practice while watching this recording. බලමින් පුරුදු වෙන්න ඕන. එතකොට keywords වලින් කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. note දාලා හදන්න පුළුවන්. නේ? හදන්න පුළුවන් දේවල් තියෙනවා මේ පාඩමේ. right. next one. ගුරුවරු වුණා. අපි පන්තියේ සිටියා. අපි පන්තියේ ඉන්නවා නම් කොහොමද කියන්නේ? අපි පන්තියේ ඉන්නවා. ඔන්න. We are in the class. Sitiana. We were in the class. Innavanam we are in the class. Sitiyanam we were in the class. Innavadanam are you, are they, are we in the class? Are we in the class? Are you in the class? Are they in the class? Sitiyadana. Sitiyada. Were they in the class? Were you in the class? Were the children in the class? අපි පන්තියේ නෙමෙයි ඉන්නේ. We are not in the class. We are not. We are not. We are not in the class. අපි හිටියේ නැත්තම් we weren't. දැන් තමන් හදන්න ඕනේ ඒවා. එකෙන් එක හදන්න ඕනේ. We weren't in the class. We weren't. ඒගොල්ලෝ පිට්ටනියේ හිටියා. එහෙනම් උත්තරේ තමයි ඔන්න they were in the ground. ඒගොල්ලෝ පිට්ටනියේ ඉන්නවනම් ඔන්න ආන්සර් එක they are in the ground. They are. ඒගොල්ලෝ ඉන්නවා. ඉන්නවා නම් they are in the ground. Sitiyanang, they were in the ground. They were. Hitiye නැත්තම්, they weren't in the ground. Sitiyada, were they in the ground? හරිවල ඒසින් හදාන්න පුළුවන් ඔබට. The verbs have to be changed. ඒගොල්ලෝ ඉන්නවා නම් they are in the ground. ඒගොල්ලෝ නැත්නම් they aren't in the ground. ඉන්නවාද නම් are they in the ground? නැත්ද කියලා අහනම් aren't they in the ground? ඔබ පාවසරේ සිටියා ගිය වසරේ. එහෙනම් how to say? You were in grade 5 last year. සිටියා. අපි පුස්තකාලයේ සිටියා. How to say? We were in the library. සිටියා. We were in the library. ඒගොල්ලෝ කොළඹ සිටියා. Now how to say? They were in Colombo. They were in Colombo. ඒගොල්ලෝ කොළඹ හිටියාද? Were they in Colombo? මාරු කරනව. සිටියේ නැද්ද? Weren't they? සිටියේ නැත්නම් they weren't. ඒගොල්ලෝ ඉන්නවා නම් they are in Colombo. ඉන්නවාද? Are they in Colombo? On last one, future. On the future. මම වෛද්‍යවරයෙක් වේවි. එහෙනම් අපි කියනවා ඔන්න I will be a doctor. නොවේවි නම් won't be. නොවේවි නම් කොහොමද කියන්නේ? ඔන්න I will not නෙමෙයි. ඔන්න won't be a doctor. නොවේවි. won't be a doctor. ඇය ඉංජිනේරුවරියක් වේවි. On she will be an engineer. අපි අහනවා වේවිද කියලා. වේවිද නම් අපි අහන්නේ කොහොමද? will she be will විතර ගන්න. වේවිද කියලා අහන්නේ මම්මී. will she be an engineer? On engineer. Will she be an engineer? On will she be an engineer? Where the kilahani? Right? Will she be an engineer? Where with the kilahani? Will she be? Will the dragon? Up on the sisun wavy. We අපිට ඕන ෂෝට් කරලා ගන්න පුළුවන් will be කියලා. We will be good children. ළමයි පන්තියේ සිටි විලු එහෙනම් අපි කියනවා the children will be in the classroom. ඒගොල්ලෝ පන්තියේ සිටීවි. How to say? They will be in the classroom. සිටීවිද නම් will they be in the classroom? No, TV. They won't be. What are B verbs? B verbs. I will be a doctor. I won't be a doctor. She will be an engineer. Will she be an engineer? Prasna not done. Will be good children. Will be. The children will be in the classroom. They'll be in the classroom. They'll be. You can say they'll be. They'll be in the classroom. I have done the verbs perfectly. Am, is, are, was, were, will be. Negative form: am not, is not, are not, was not, were not, will not be. Will not be. And I gave you the question forms: am I, is he, is she, is it, are you, are they, are boys, are the teachers, are your friends, are your parents, are we. Was I, was he, was she, was it, was mother, was father, was the principal, were they, were you, were we, were the boys, were the teachers, were the friends, were the parents, were the books, were the trees, were the flowers, were the animals. I will be, he will be, she will be, I won't be, she won't be, he won't be, will I be, will she be, will they be, will he be, will father be, will mother be, won't I be, won't she be, will not kill, won't they be. I have done the verbs perfectly. Watch කරලා the verbs ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙනම් we are going to meet again with the second video. I always encourage you to study the English yourself. You can join through my WhatsApp to study your lessons properly. To study the lessons properly. Right? You can join the classes very well. Right? You can join through the WhatsApp. I'm your beloved English teacher with English easy way. I wish you all the best.